Getting ready to export expenses from Expensify.
Before tax season gets busy, preparing your expense records is key. Expensify makes it easier to gather everything in one place. Log into your Expensify account and ensure all receipts and expenses for the year are uploaded and categorized. A little organization now saves you trouble when it's time to file your taxes.
Choosing the right report in Expensify.
Expensify sorts expenses into reports that make exporting simple. Look for expense reports covering the correct time frame, usually the past tax year. If your expenses are spread across multiple reports, consolidate them or make sure each report is complete. Double-check that all expenses have the correct date, category, and tax-related notes.
Exporting your expense data.
Once your reports are ready, exporting is straightforward. Select the report you need, then find the Export To or Export As option. Expensify offers formats like CSV, XLSX, and PDF. CSV or XLSX files are best for tax purposes as they're easily opened in spreadsheet programs for further sorting and analysis.
Organizing and reviewing exported data.
Open your exported expense file with your preferred spreadsheet tool. Review the data to check that all transactions, dates, and categories are correct. This is the ideal moment to flag any unusual expenses or missing information. Organizing by category such as travel, meals, or supplies will streamline your tax preparation.
Sharing data with your tax professional.
If you work with an accountant or tax preparer, sending them your exported file can save time. Make sure you include any notes and clarify expense categories if necessary. Providing clear, organized data helps your tax professional maximize your deductions and makes the tax filing process much smoother.